Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix the settings app from Windows 10 not opening or not working. Windows 10 apps in general have these issues where sometimes you just can't open them. Even the start button, even the search box, I have a lot of videos about each and every one of them, the start button or the search box. So if you have those issues, you can check out the videos from my channel. But in this video we're going to talk about the settings app in particular. So the thing is, the settings app is a Windows 10 app. It comes pre-installed, of course, as you all know. So we should be able to easily fix the problem by trying to somewhat reset the important Windows files, check and see if there are any corrupted files or missing important system files on our system. So first of all, let's open a CMD. Click on the search box, type in here CMD, right click on CMD, then click on Run as Administrator. On user account control, click on yes, and you have CMD opened up. In CMD, you're going to have to paste in this command. Of course, all the commands that I'm going to use in this video will be in the description down below. Just copy and paste them from there. So the first command is this one, DISM.exe /online/cleanupimage/Restorehealth. This command will basically restore or try to restore the health of our operating system, image. So what you need to do after you enter this command in the command prompt, just press enter and wait for the process to be finished. As you will see, you're going to have the version of your system image here. And of course, this process will begin in order to fix the system image if it has any issues. After the process is finished, the next command that we're going to type in is this one, sfc/scannow, then press enter. This command will start searching for the missing system files or corrupted system files and will try to fix them or replace them in case they are missing or corrupted. Again, you have to press enter. This command will take up some time depending on your system resources, but after the process is finished, you're just gonna have to restart your system and move on with the video. For the second part of the video, we're gonna right click on the start button, or we can use the keyboard combination Windows +X and click on Windows Powershell as administrator. On user account control, yet again click on yes, and you're gonna have here PowerShell opened up. In PowerShell, we're gonna paste in another two commands. The first one is this one, press enter to run it. And this one will be very fast. And the second one will be this one, press enter. Basically, these two commands will reset all the Windows apps. And basically, this way you're gonna be able to fix the settings app or even any other app that is not working currently. You just have to ignore these red warnings because they appear either because you don't have a certain app or certain apps cannot be reset. So this is not a problem, just ignore them and wait for the process to be finished. And yet again, after the process is finished, just close out PowerShell and restart your system. I'm hoping this video helped you and you managed to fix your settings app not working or not opening. Don't forget that all the commands that I've used in this video are in the description down below, so just copy and paste them from there. If the video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.